Yeah, 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 yo. Check the strategy, simple and clean. Pine tree in the building, the trading machine. I'm looking at the charts, not for no drama, just for that sweet setup. Call it the inside bar gamma. It's a tight squeeze, a moment of pause, breaking to the upside or the downside without flaws. It's my bread and butter, my daily routine, capturing them moves, living the dream. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader, got my account on lock. Apex Trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Pinning trees on a roll, putting skills to the test. Yeah. See, the market's a jungle full of noise and of fakes, but I'm focused on the signals, for goodness sakes. That inside bar forms a sign of compressed mic. I wait for the breakout, then I'm in with all my might. Small moves, big impact, stacking every single day, cashing out that profit, there's no other way. They talk about the long game, the big wild swing, but I'm here for the consistency that daily payouts bring. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader, got my account on lock. Apex Trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Pinning trees on a roll, putting skills to the test. Yeah, yeah. From the start of the session to the end of the line, I'm scaling and I'm swinging, making every penny mine. Don't need 100 points to feel a success, just a few ticks of profit to feel truly blessed. I'm a funded king with a plan so clear. No fear in this game, cause the strategy is here. Yeah, Monetary Trader, you know the name. Daily payouts, ain't it a shame that others are struggling, playing they silly games, while I'm on top, fueling the flames. Take Profit, Apex, my funded, yeah, you heard me right. Staying on that grind from the morning till the night, yeah. Daily payouts. Yeah. Yeah. See, the market's a jungle full of noise and of fakes, but I'm focused on the signals, for goodness sakes. That inside bar forms a sign of compressed mic. I wait for the breakout, then I'm in with all my might. Small moves, big impact, stacking every single day, cashing out that profit, there's no other way. They talk about the long game, the big wild swing, but I'm here for the consistency that daily payouts bring.
What up? What's up? Yo, yo, yo. What is up? What's going on, everyone? Yo, walk to you. What is up? Lay in the house. Doing great. Nice daily payouts today, guys. Some nice daily payouts. Check this out. $2,249 daily payout plus plus $725 daily payout. Pretty good, huh? So anything over $2,000, you can take a daily payout with trade day or take profit trader. So pretty monster day. I did reset an account. I did reset an account for $650. So there's that. So not all profit, but we got that back and then some. So a little prop game. Also, I got this account up to $162,045 on this 150K. So looking pretty good. This Lucid straight to funded account. It's looking monstrous. I'm working on the second payout. Should be able to get it today. I only need one more day to trade it. And I only need I'm not exactly sure how much I need, like 0.4% or something like that. So I don't know. Anyways, Real Robot, what is up? Lit in the house, Corey in the house, Tony Gold, Daryl, what is up? Coach Singh, Moto Trades, let's go. Shahid, what is up? Indian Burn, Shad. Does Take Profit have a payout cap? They do, yeah. So it's 10,000 in one day. They'll take you out, and then yeah. So then, and it's like $15,000 total, and then they move you to live. So 10,000 in one day, they move you to live. Caleb, most of your team gave up on trading. I kind of messed up trading habits. Oh, yeah. For sure. Oh, nice, Smokey. Had a good day? Good. It's Walk to You. What is up, Yoda? Let's go, Alex. Appreciate ya. How did some people are $50,000 in a trade contest with 2 contracts? I don't really know, man. I have no idea. Coach Fred in the house. Crypto in the house. What's up? $500 from passing your 4th eval. Let's go. Let's get it. Cameron, what is up? So pretty wild day. Nice trend day up pretty much, and then it just pulled back. So we put in a Harami candle for the reversal. So you can see right here, the Harami swept, made a new session high, reversed, came roaring back down. I didn't really catch much of it. I was away from the computer, but I was getting a haircut. But yeah, so I made a video about that the other day about Harami candles, and when they make new session highs, high or lows, can create some really nice moves. So you can see right up through here, there wasn't any Haramis that made new highs or lows for the session, and then ended up, this one was the major one. I mean, it's not 100% win rate, right? But this is the major one that put in the swept, made a new high, and then if you took that short there, stop went above the high, it was the high for the day. So pretty cool. It's a cool trade. Something I observed a while back. Autumn 9 in the house. I trade range breaks. I catch big moves all day. Let's go, Caleb. Trying to outtrade everyone is bad for everyone. Oh yeah, trust me. I just got out of that influencer cup from trade day. It sucks. It was fun, but I mean it kind of sucks. Which video? Let's see. Here it is, right here. Do I ever get tired of standing? Yeah, sometimes. I don't stand all day though, so. Sometimes I mean I make a lot of my money either at night, while I'm sitting in a chair watching TV on the laptop, and then in the morning I usually stand here for like 2 hours or so. But yeah, it's actually really helped my back. It's really helped my back. Yeah, real robot, nice. Honest Take, what is up? Congratulations on going live, Honest Take. Honest Take got called up to live with Top Step. So that's pretty cool. Sorry if I missed you guys in the chat. Autumn 9. Visible ID, what is up? You went back to micros and just killing it, giving yourself breathing room, buying to strength, selling the weakness. So let's go. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of the way, right? His Royal Trades, what is up? Mosh. Lassie for Trader, let's go. Let's get it. Nice strong Green Day, Satan lives, saves. Let's go. Up 12K trading MBTC, the old micro Bitcoin. Nice. Do I have a job? No. This is my job. Pretty sweet, huh? Make most of your money on the printer, Mr. Smith. Let's go. Inside bars for the win. Let's go, Honest Take. Hope you don't mind. I shared that post on my Twitter. Hope you don't mind. It's from Honest Take in the chat. Longtime follower. It's official. Thank you, Pine Tree, for showing me inside Boz. Best community on the prop firm streets. Use code PINE. Let's go. Market's open, guys. Hey, Corey the phone trader in the house. Love Corey the phone trader. Jack Boom. How hard can it be, James? Yeah, how hard can it be? John Walk, what is up? Cool, on a stake. 30. I probably should have asked before, right? $30 away from funding 5 take profit trader accounts. Let's go. That's you got this, Manny. Just be patient with it. You got it. All right, market pushing higher here. Off the rip. Check out gold. Oops. Check out gold. Wow. Big flush down on gold here off the start. All right, yeah, so I had a big daily payouts today, guys, like I said earlier. So some nice daily payouts. Take profit trader and trade day. So I'm gonna work on I'm gonna get rid of this. Actually, I gotta flip them, but I'm not gonna do that right this second. Wait for the market to slow down a little bit. I got these core accounts I gotta work on as well. I got 2 core accounts, evals I'm gonna work on. Metals have extreme leverage. Yeah, they do. It's fun stuff. You could get into top 200 trading metals. Yeah, for sure, Caleb. Yeah, these, you know, these tournaments, it's about full porting. So it's all about full porting. Need 3 more days of $100 or more, or $100 to be able to get my first payout on my funded futures. Trying to build up the buffer. Nice go. Let's go, Dean. It's Mo, bro, in the house. What's up, Chris B? All right, market's pushing down here. Open gap filled, nice. I might have just got a payout. It was too much pressure to show it on stream. I'm gonna be full transparent. It's a $3,000 payout. I took a quick short. All I need is just a little bit of money. I'm not actually 100% sure what I need. That's the thing. But I just grabbed a quick $100 on the Lucid on the short. I gotta see what I need. Let's go, Manny. You got it? Big outside bar here. Let's see, 4,500. Sorry, I'm just calculating something. Do I stream in the morning? I do not, Johan. Oh yeah, Caleb. You can do two. So on Tradeovate, there's a glitch. You can do minis and micros at the same time. So I think that's what people were doing at first. So you could go minis, micros. You could go minis on NASDAQ, minis on MNQ. You could go minis on gold, all at the same time. YM. I did UFO. So when it's that big, what I do is I size down the micros. So the stop goes below, right? So the stop goes below. I don't have my hotkeys anymore. So I had to redo all my Tradeovate stuff. Stop goes below here. And then you look for the 1-to-1 or 20 points. Something like that. So yeah, I just sized down. Yeah, I go for 1-to-1 or I look left to see what we're trying to run. You can kind of get a good gauge. Sometimes I just look for 20 points, which is a negative R&R trade. Kind of depends on the account. But yeah, I can set up my hotkeys again, guys. If you guys don't know how to set up hotkeys, this is how you do it. I don't know. Well, maybe they are working. Oh, they're already set up. Which is how you set them up anyway, but if you want to draw a line, let me just reset it. Reset, draw a line. I do Shift A, and then just click off it, and then it's locked in, and you can just do whatever you want. Draw a horizontal line, draw rectangles, whatever. There we go. Oh yeah, so anyways, so after that whole mess up with Tradeovate with my funded futures, they ended up resetting my account, which was sweet. after I lost data and I had no data, and I sent them a bunch of screenshots. So they ended up, but all my screens were all messed up, and I have someone else's ATM strategies on my screen. I mean, look, this is not my ATM strategy. Bori TRDX, $1,505 take profit, $200 stop loss. That's a nice trade. But yeah, I got someone's ATM strategies. I had someone else's charts, everything on my accounts. So weird. I don't know what happened. It's a major glitch. So yeah, UFO buzz. Anyways, so it kind of depends on the account. Like if I'm trading an account that really matters, like a funded account, I'm not gonna risk $55 on that funded account. I mean 55 points with one mini. I'll size down to like 4 micros, 5 micros, something like that. If it's an evaluation that I'm trying to pass, I'll just go in with 1, 2 minis, and then like off that one trade right there, that's a pass, right? So I'll do that too. Guys, smash that like button. Smash the like button. 200 likes, we'll do a giveaway. I get to give away another Lucid test account, 50K. Pretty sweet. Let's go, guys. Just locked in a payout. Bingo. 3,000 bucks. That's two from this account this month. Let's go. Here's the account right here. So I took a quick scalp on that open. I had to get it under 20% consistency, so I didn't quite know exactly what it was, so I took 100 bucks. Here's the calendar. So I've taken $6,000 out of this account so far since I've started it. This is a Lucid 150K direct account. Let's go. That's big. I'll take that. And the account is still up to 162. It's up to $162,147. So $7,227 in drawdown right now. So once I take out the 3,000, it's still gonna leave me a nice bit of drawdown. So I don't have any strategies. No bracket set. Taking it along here on this eval. This is my funded futures core account. Get up there. Thank you, Cody. Manny, that is Lucid. That was Lucid. Nice. Thank you, His Royal. Crushing that account. Come on, get up there. Looking to take some off, like half off, about halfway up that wick, and then the rest at the session high. Cranston White tonight is going excellent. The nighttime has been pretty good, Caleb. Yeah, no, it really has. Nighttime's been great. All right, there's one off. I'm only in 2 micros, guys. This is already up 20 something points, or almost 20 points. Do I know why Apex won't let you reset accounts anymore? I don't know. Yeah, that's weird. You can't reset, you just have to buy new ones. Well, if you do, please use my code PINE. That ends at midnight tonight too, guys. The Apex 70% off, $40 activation fees. I believe it ends tonight at midnight. So if you are trading with Apex, you can use my code PINE, please. Yo, Adele, Scalper, what is up? Benefits of Lucid, they have some really good deals on the straight to funded plans right now. That's what I like, the straight to funded. I think they're pretty much a cross between Tradeify and My Funded Futures, in my opinion. Like, the test accounts are very similar to be able to get to a payout, and the direct accounts are $6,000 in drawdown for the 150K. That was the main selling point, and I think I picked it up for around 400 something bucks, and I've withdrawn $6,000 from it, so not bad. Like $5,500 ROI. But yeah, $6,000 drawdown was the appeal. So basically, when you're buying an account for many of the prop firms, you're paying for the drawdown, right? So that's kind of how I was looking at it. But it is quite dear to get to a payout. You have to get $9,000 to get to a payout, but they can withdraw $3,000. Stay under 20% consistency. So, but the the other accounts the test accounts are you have to have a minimum of 5 days of $100 or more on a 50K, 35% consistency, and then get it up to $52,100 to withdraw, to be able to make a withdrawal. So, but yeah, I like the direct accounts on them. I don't really want to move my stop to break even because I feel like I could just test that VWAP and then bounce. So I'm going to hold the stop where it is. You can, yeah. You can make 3 to 8 micros. You can make a lot of profit. Especially with gold. Gold right now is just absolutely wild. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. Cash. You guys been on Methodical Man's channel. Funded Next, I haven't tried them out yet. Yeah, they've given me the cold shoulder for the affiliate, so I was like, I'm not trying you out. I do have a link with them, though. All right. I'm going to hold this. Be bold and hold. Dark Side, I do not have a code with Legends. Yeah. Rules look good, Caleb? Yeah. I don't have a code with Legends yet. No, I appreciate you though. I should, but I don't. Oh, I didn't know you can show P&L on the price line when you're in a trade. I don't know if I like that, but for the stream it's good. Hey Nao, what is up? How you doing, Nao? Thank you, Ran. All right, it could pull back here to the VWAP. We took some off right at that midway point, which was a nice sell. Stops way down there, 27 points away, but might be a good ad spot, actually. Adding here. Back in 4 micros. Oof. Well, we'll see what happens. Pushing back down here. Stop at the low. When we say flush, meaning that it like goes down real fast. Coma, like, so it pushes down like super fast. So when it like, so usually what the saying is like stairs up, like you take the stairs up, and then elevator down. So like it's almost like flushing it down the toilet. Like it just goes real quick when you get a short. So it's kind of what his role meant. Oh, nice, Coach Fred. Bears putting on weight like 2 days. Yeah, we'll see. It would be crazy. I mean, so we've had 2 nights in a row where the opening candle was the high for a long time. So Bitcoin's ripping. Interesting. What's gold up to? Gold's doing nothing. Gold looks frozen. So we're going to be patient here and just see if this Harami holds, basically. That's what we're going to do. Got some movement, though, in the markets, which is great. Finally. So I opened a long last night, 30 contracts, went to sleep, woke up and holy cow. I closed up 25K in probably sadly that was an eval. Passed the eval, but it was an eval scalp ripper. Now would you have done it if it was, could you have slept at night if it was a funded account? That's the thing. That's my thing. Hey, for the inside bar strategy, do you put a stop above or below the inside bar itself or the bar before? I use the bar itself, the inside bar itself. Yeah. All right, let's squeeze now. Squeeze. Squeeze. Adam Daz in the house. What is going on? Past your funding ticks or accounts. I got this email saying account under review. Do you know how long it takes to get funded? Does anyone have experience on how long it takes to get a funding ticks account? I've never passed one, so congratulations, by the way. Yeah, no, funding ticks still has my money, my tuition money with them. It's not a lot, maybe like $800, but what's up, Drac? Squeezing here. All right, I took 2 off there again. We'll let the rest. We'll let the other one run. So we put in as a little bit of Harami here as resistance here, about 50% up. That's wick. So I took 2 more off, so we'll see. So far I've taken 4 off on this one trade. So just kind of playing around with the micros right now, scaling in, scaling out. If we can push up through the highs, this would be a nice trade up through here. I actually think we probably could push up into this gap as well. Nice to break above this outside bar. 743 could be pretty nice. Where I... There. My mouse wasn't snapping. Everything, like I said, I had to reset all my Trade of 8 charts. Everything got screwed up. Maybe like 15 hours. Thank you, Echo Trader. I passed 3 of them. Let's go. Can be longer if they have questions. Okay. Yeah, for sure. Honest take, yes. A squeeze and a flush is 10 points. Yeah, if you can get 10 points out of the market during Globex a lot of times. Like New York, you know, these are 30, 40, 50, 60, 100 point candles sometimes. Yeah, it's been pretty good always grinding. I agree. What's up, TJP in the house? All right, see if we bounce off that VWAP once again. I'm not gonna add again right now. So I added last time it came down to the VWAP. I added, took 2 off. Alrighty, so we're just in 2 micros right now. Ragnar, doing excellent. Excellent. Yeah, lots of payouts today. Big money day. I'll take it. Saw me on Nutty's in the chat? Yeah, Nutty's cool. Any gold trading? Not yet. I've been rating this Nasdaq. Gold's been kind of sitting here. Starting to look like a nice little gold break to the upside though, but we're in this Nasdaq trade right now. Just hanging out at the open basically. See if we can get a push up through. Leaf trade. I traded with Quantower for over a year. Yeah, Wes, I did. I traded Quantower for a year. Yep, just before I started streaming basically. Yeah, and I just went back to Trade of 8. The main reason was because I was traveling and stuff, and I just wanted to trade on my Chromebook. So with Trade of 8, I was just trading on my Chromebook, and then yeah. What's up, Wes? But yeah, I had a major malfunction. I don't know what happened yesterday. It was crazy. How much did I make today? $3,000 payout from Lucid. The daily payout, take profit trader, $2,249 minus the 20%, and then a $749 take trade day payout, $725 trade day payout minus the 20%. So yeah, big day. I'll take it. First inside bar, New York, paid big. Yeah, it did. TJP, it did. It paid big. It just ripped. So first inside bar, guys, right here, absolutely ripped. So this was one of those things that I just observed one day. I put inside bars on my chart, you know, when I was just scanning through the indicators, and I ended up putting 5-minute inside bars. And then I had this idea from like Tom Hugard where it was like, you know, kind of time based around the open, like the 940 bar. And then there was another trader called Trader Rob. I know Fred knows who he is. Trader Rob on YouTube, that was doing like inside bar on gold or something like that. And believe it or not, like I was trading inside bars before I found Rob, and then I see it. He was trading inside bars. I was like, that's pretty cool. And then so he was like kind of looking for that, and then I was like, well, what if I just trade the first inside 5-minute bar on NQ and then try to create a systematic trade around it? And that's how that came about. So yeah. Oh, so anyways, dividends for keeps. Oh, thank you. Promo codes, what is up? Oh, yeah, so anyways, I wanted to say I did reset a Take Profit Trader account today too. So it wasn't all profit. So basically you take the trade day payout and just wipe that off. And that was, and then whatever I'm left with, that's the net profit. So the Take Profit Trader payout and the Lucid payout. So yeah, a little unfortunate with the Take Profit Trader account, but I still have the account, so that's good. I don't really recommend like resetting those accounts. No, it really can add up. It's very tempting, but October your best month so far? No. No, Adam Daz, no. November could be. October was actually horrible for me as far as expenses goes. I don't even know where I'm at, but it wasn't that great. No, October was kind of rough. November is going to be great, though. Starting off great. How many TPT was linked? None. Just the one. Yeah, just the one with TPT. So what happens, I blew that Take Profit Trader account that I got the payout on. And then I reset one. What's up, Sherry? You accidentally blew your TPT Pro. It's sad. Yeah, I know. Those ones are tough to get. I'm really digging the trade day, end of day accounts. The end of day ones. Those are sweet. Really digging those. I'm still working on a few more evals. Hopefully I'll end up with 3. I got 2 evals at $1,700. So yeah, getting up there. All right, we are back chopping this range. Am I in the Tradeify Cup? No, I'm not. Not anymore. I did try it. I tried full porting out on day 1, and I was like, nah. I blew it, and I was like, that's it. I just got out of that trade day influencer cup thing for a month, and I'm telling you that that was exhausting. Like mentally exhausting. Like trying to compete with, you know, some other savage traders and. Yeah, and dealing with trolls on Twitter, and it was just like, it was exhausting. Oh. Yeah, I know. Yeah, Wes, you'd rather just go through the eval again. Yeah, that's the thing, is I keep telling myself, I'm like, I'm just gonna keep working on those evals like always like working on an eval with trade day or take profit trader, and just so I can have them ready to go. But yeah, it was nice that I didn't trade those. Or I didn't copy trade them, I mean. So yeah, so I just have 2 evals with take profit trader. One's passed. One I have to flip. Actually, I'm gonna flip that right now. Although the market's still moving. I have to do my flip ATM strategy again. One tick, one tick. Alright, I just flipped that account on Take Profit Trader. This is looking good. But yeah, you're 100% right, Wes. Those resets can really add up. You can buy essentially, what, 5 of them? 5 evals for the price of a reset. 6. I guess, depending if you're resetting up 25 or 50k. But I like funding ticks. You Mayor? Yeah, I have funding ticks. I've tried them. They had a great deal going, and I was trying out funding ticks, and I just haven't been focused on them. I've been mainly just focused on Take Profit Trader, Trade Day, My Funded Futures lately. And Lucid, those are the ones I've been focused on. That's like plenty of accounts, you know, for me right now. But if there's a good sale, I will pick some up for sure. But if you are trading with funding ticks, you can use code PINE. I bought, what, 6 accounts with them the other day when they had that sale going on, and they were evals, and I blew through them pretty quickly. This trade's looking mighty fine, guys. I think we sweep that high, huh? Bang. That was a beautiful trade. Up 219. So basically it was just off that Harami. I'll show you better on the NQ. So just like what we talked about earlier, so what I like to do is, like, if we make a new high, session high or low with the 5-minute Harami and put it in, I like to go with that and target at least the top or the bottom of the mother candle, which was this candle right here. So thank you, Digital Nukes. What was my most profitable month? I don't know. Probably $30,000 maybe profit, something like that. Yeah, I had a really good start on one. I got an $18,000 payout with fast track trading. That was the start of it. So that was a good month. What? Video and a short about that trade? I did. I made a trade about it. I made a video about it, I mean. Right here. This is a video that I made about Harami candles, about sweeping the highs and the lows, or making new session highs and lows, and then taking that trade. So this is exactly what you just saw there. It's the exact trade I just took. We are ripping now. So it's such a simple strategy. It really is. It's just, I don't know. Yeah, it just came out of nowhere, that boner candle for sure. Honest take. Yeah, we just ripped to the upside. What is gold up to now? Gold's really not moving like NASDAQ. Finally, NASDAQ's back. God, I thought everyone just left NASDAQ. Everyone was just trading gold, but it's back. All right, kind of filled that gap there. Lovely TV. Thank you so much for the sub. Yeah, someone said about 12 hours, Tony trades. I've never actually... Top 1 doesn't work? I'll check that right now, Mo. Alright, getting a little pullback here. Very bullish candle. Feel like we rip. Did you try all caps, Mo bro? Did you try all capital? It should work. No, you didn't miss the giveaway. We're gonna do that towards the end of the stream in about an hour. Yeah, this was someone in the stream. I've never had one, but yeah, this one. Hayden, thanks so much for the sub. I did, Coach Fred. Yes, $500,000 from Pro Plus. Holy cow, that is insane, Coach Fred. I can't wrap my brain around that. I can't. I mean, maybe someday I'll get to that point. I don't know. I don't know if I have it in me to be able to hold through that. I just don't know. Yeah, absolutely insane. Coach Fred's talking about someone got a $500,000 payout with Pro, or made $500,000 in the Pro Plus Take Profit Trader account. Banked yesterday. Insane. Polar X, thank you so much for the sub. Laha, thank you so much for the sub. Penny stock days, guys are making $100,000 days. I know, crazy, but yeah, I mean, absolutely insane. $603,000. Absolutely crushed it. All right, getting a pullback here off the inside bar. But boy, man, that is a bullish candle. Maybe that was just a stop run. KDP in the house. All right, so yeah, JLD 54. I got paid last night. So I requested last night during stream actually, and then I got paid by yesterday morning from trade day. So yeah, it was before the market opened today. So like 12 hours. Donna in the house. Taking a look at gold. Yeah, gold's just kind of grinding higher. I mean, we pushed up above the VWAP right now. Yeah, it's just kind of doing that grind. We'll see if we get a little spike in volatility here in about 7 minutes, 8 minutes. Pull back to test the trend line. Possibly, yeah. Bounce off that VWAP, the WWAP. Because today is open right here, that blue line. I put that on the chart. I never have had it on there before, but yeah, we're sitting at 3,984 and 30 cents on the old gold. Pulling back to the WWAP right now. NASDAQ trying to push higher. Getting a little bounce. Kind of filled that gap. It's bouncing. Smash a like button at 200 likes. At the end of the stream in about an hour, we'll do a giveaway if we have 200 likes. Appreciate that. For a Lucid 50K test account. They're getting a bounce there. See if we can make new session highs. So currently up 219. Made some nice trades here. Let me throw on the fills and orders. Just to show that we actually did some. NASDAQ kind of trying to flag out here. See if we actually get that push up through. Oh, we got sub. Oh, Cruel, thank you so much for the sub. Appreciate you. Let's go. See if we can get that pop. A little flag break pop would be nice. Joseph, Ron, thank you so much for the subs. Appreciate you guys. Make sure you smash that like button as you're coming in. That's why you guys are finding the channel. Testing that 760 here. Take a look back, a look at gold here. Market's kind of slowed down a little bit at the moment. Just kind of stalling out here. Off this mega boner candle. We're just kind of sitting here. We filled the gap. Filled the gap down here. Filled the gap up here. Now it's just kind of consolidating at 760s. See what happens now. We took a beautiful trade earlier off the Harami. Scaled out 50% of this wick. It pulled back. We hopped in again with more contracts. Took some off there and then took the rest off on top of that wick. Just a really nice solid trade. Just really happy with that one. See if we can make new session highs here. Trying to squeeze. You can do it, gold. What's gold doing? Oh. So yeah, kind of testing that VWAP here. It could actually break. It's looking like a giant bear flag if you draw it out. New session highs. NASDAQ. $25,774 is the session high. NASDAQ up about 25 points from the open. About 25 points. Gold down about $9.70. Gold acting like it wants to try to break this flag here. Isn't it weird that Funding Ticks has to review the account before funding traders? Well, they have rules. But I would think that they would have to have... they would put some automation in place. But yeah. A lot of props actually review. It used to be worse. I mean, they used to like really review your evals. But yeah, I've heard it's pretty fast saved. That's what people in the chat saying. It's pretty fast. What's up, Tim? All right, kind of gold, kind of rolling over here. MGC. Oh, gotta fix this. There. There goes gold rolling over here. What's happening? Kind of breaking down that trend line on gold. Testing that VWAP here. Starting to roll over. NASDAQ pulling back slightly. 762. Am I looking for longs or shorts at this moment? I really don't have a setup at the moment. I think the market's looking kind of bullish right now with the NASDAQ. But yeah, we just took a nice trade, so we just got out of it about 10 minutes ago. So I'm just kind of like waiting for something to catch my eye, you know. Gold rolling over. I like that. Exclamation point pine in the chat, guys, if you guys haven't. Go ahead. They had to ask my name. They had to scalp ripper. Oh, really? Find it seem weird that the yeah, I don't know, scalp ripper, that's weird. Yeah, so we filled the gap in NASDAQ during the cash market. Seems weird that the market just floated up all day with no real pullbacks to fill the market structure. Yeah, I mean, it was just kind of went out as a trend day, and then as soon as we had that Trump speech this morning, the overall news was bullish too. From what I heard, from the jobs report, things like that on Forex Factory, I'm one to not listen to news. My trading buddy listens to news. I don't. But yeah, so it was fairly positive. And so yeah, I thought it was a little weird. This market's been weird in general. Just a lot of trend days, a lot of trending markets. Like I said, the last 2 nights on NASDAQ, if you look at the open for Globex, it literally just kept trending for the last few nights. 3 nights, actually. So 3 nights in a row. Last night, it ended up V-bottomed in reverse. But still, like, if you caught that opening drive candle to the downside, it just kept going. It was kind of crazy. So it popped to 21 EMA, came down. Slick Rig, is so hard for you to find a good trade today. Yeah, it's tricky. I actually felt like I made most of my money last night. Plus the VIX was at $18, and like that is like support zone on the VIX. So you got the VIX here. I mean, it's just like at support zone. Checking out the daily chart on the VIX. So it's sitting right down here in the support. So it'd be interesting if we hold this level. If we don't on the VIX and it keeps pushing down, that'll be interesting. NASDAQ pulling back here, testing that VWAP, just bounced off the VWAP here again. So this is why I like that CE VWAP. So I use the CE VWAP on Tradeovate. It just respects that VWAP. It loves it. On the 5-minute chart. Trying to hold 21 again, scalp ripper, nice. VIX is a fear index. Basically, it's a volatility index. Yep, so basically if the VIX is going down, that means the market, there's like low volatility, right? And usually it means the market will start pushing up. It's kind of like a fear-based index, right? So if it starts to spike up, like, let me show you. So we had all that volatility in April, that crazy volatility. You see the VIX spiked right up to $60. These were like crazy volatility times. Like, I'm talking 5-minute candles that were 200-300 points. Absolutely nuts. I took 3 minis on a pro account, went long on 1 candle and made $10,000 just like that. I mean, it was fast and it wasn't even news. It was nuts. On a TPT. But yeah, so if the VIX starts to spike up, then the market's probably going to come down, right? So a lot of people will just watch that level. I think if we break below here to 18 and start to get down towards the 15s, 13s, I would look to look for longs. You know. That was a nightmare, honest take. I know, it was crazy, right? Oh, thank you, Seller Days. Google the rule of 16 explains the math for you. Thank you, Seller Days. Basically, the price of puts 27, 31 days away and are going up or down. Math for it to CBO. Yeah, okay. Thank you, Seller Days. Yeah. That's definitely a better explanation. Yeah, that was crazy times. I used to trade that. You guys used to trade UVXY and stuff. Which is like leveraged ETF for the VIX. I don't know if it's 2 times or 3 times or what leveraged. But yeah, it was nuts. All right, we're testing that VWAP again. Let's take a look at gold here. This is where it gets hard because I'm not really seeing too much. on NASDAQ at the moment, and like it's hard to sit on your hands, you know, and stream and try to be entertaining and like want to take a trade for the entertainment. Like I was thinking about maybe this inside bar here, like long, but I don't know. I mean, it looks pretty good. I mean, we swept below the VWAP, it popped back up. Maybe try to get in on a retest. So I sort of missed the first entry there. Full port the next inside bar? I know, exactly. Yeah, well, it's going without me now, so. Oh well. Yeah. Full port on board, let's go. Yeah. For the stream. You don't trust the market? You feel like we're gonna drop? I know. I don't have my daily candles up here anymore. Check out the daily candles. Put it in a harami today. So we got a nice bounce. But yeah, I kind of feel the same way. Helpful. I feel like the market's just gonna fall on its face. But yeah, I don't know. We'll just trade what we see. Taking a look at gold here. Yeah, gold got a little pop off that inside bar. I missed it. Ooh, I don't know why those black candles are there. All right, YM. Kind of pulling back on the YM. I haven't been trading much YM lately. I don't know why. I kind of went away from it. So I love trading harami candles on the YM. I actually see they worked really well today. Except through this chop. Holy cow, the lunchtime chop on YM was insane. Just nasty. Nasty, nasty. Oh, there's the rug pull on NASDAQ. See, we called it. Helpful. We called that. Just kidding. Helpful went short with 5,000 lots. Just dumped the market. Let's go, Coach Fred. You caught some of it? Let's go. Love that. Remember when you could just long Asia and every day and just make bank? I know, Pegasus, for sure. I was probably trying to fade it, though. Knowing me. Yeah, I was probably trying to fade it. You only trade YM, Tim? Let's go. I love that. I am a YM trader. But yeah, I don't fully trade YM. I'm addicted to the NASDAQ for sure. We're short 40 micros. Let's go. Let's go. DCA to the win. If you DCA enough, you will win. You might run out of money first, but... Now I long these bearish chase sessions, I know. We caught a nice one today, so we actually faded the move. And you know, can I be honest with you guys? This is what I was thinking. So yeah, so last 3 nights this opening candle, the ORB has paid big time. And basically we swept that low. Once you put in that Harami, that was like a green light. I'm like, oh yeah. I'm like, the ORB is not gonna work tonight. This is what I'm thinking in my brain the whole time. So when we went long off that Harami, that's why I had to stop, or the sell, to take profit right above that candle's wick, because I was just thinking 4 nights in a row, come on. So that's why I was being real patient with it. Didn't move the stop or anything. What time is the ORB for Asia? So for me, it's 5 Eastern time. Daily loss firms, you actually shot for the first initial daily loss? Yeah. Yeah, I don't like daily loss. I like daily loss limits, but I don't like the daily loss that the firm set, because it's a little bit too large for the most part, and it kind of will smoke the account. It really beats it up. So if they have like a $1,200, $1,300 loss on a 50K account, that's a lot. So what I like to try to do is like cut that by like $600, $700, $800. So tomorrow we have some news. Not really. Actually, not much news. FOMC Waller speaks at 2:30, but that's about it. Oh, Hayden, you know, I think I spoke about the ORB for Asia. So Asia, technically Asia opens or it just opened. So yeah, it just opened. So 6 Eastern time now. Right? So Tokyo open. Because we have the clock change. So now it's yeah. But I was talking about the Globex ORB, I guess. No problem, Adam Daz. Yeah, just, you know, just something to watch. Yeah, it's one of those trades you got to be real patient with, because you got to you know, wait for that to sweep the high and the low. It's just it's eliminating a lot of trades, basically. It's like even this trade, right? We wouldn't have taken it because it didn't sweep the high or the low. This Harami, this pink candle, this purple candle, I mean. The instant payout add-on for top 1, Mo bro. You know, I gotta apologize. I don't really know too much about him. I wouldn't think so. I personally, I don't know if I would do it. The instant payout. I'm trying to pull him up right now. Did my code end up working, Mo bro, or did you use someone else's? It's fine if you did. I don't know why it wouldn't work. Zaf, thank you so much for the sub. The old inside bar on MNQ, yep. Okay, thank you. I'll reach out to them. Grudge Bridge, thank you so much for the sub. Appreciate you. Got an inside bar here. Might take it with the micros. Might take the inside bar short here. Please do not follow my trades. Chrissy, thank you so much for the sub. All right, short 2 micros on this eval. My funded futures. Stop 730s. Hopefully we don't just sweep that low, grab liquidity, and rip it back higher. That's always the trap, but it could actually push down through, make new session lows. Alexandria, thank you so much for the sub. Sevix, what is up? Rashad, got your second Bulenox payout today. Let's go. Going for the third. Red Guy, thank you so much for the sub. See what happens. So we're risking 84 bucks on this. We're currently up 200 bucks tonight, so we're just gonna 84 bucks. We'll see. See if we can sweep the low of this outside bar. Pump, kind of like test that candle. It's kind of what I'm looking for. You could actually test way down here. We have a gap down here, 25,594. Which seems a little aggressive for this time of night, but we definitely could push down through there tonight. Another bearish day on the for the Asia session. Bearish night. All right, getting that push down now. This 25,700 has been kind of a support level. It's kind of been a bitch. It just kind of bounces off it and does this thing. It's been doing it all day. Especially in this chop this morning. Like, it was just nasty. So this is a nasty zone. See if we run that wick down there. There we go. This is a nice trade there. Little inside bar short with a little momentum push. And it's going to keep going. So yeah, so up 281. Just trading the micros tonight. Just kind of playing around with the micros. Let's go. Coach Fred just passed a take profit trader account. Ripping lower. This is looking good. Pushing down here, just ripping. Nice. Made some more monies. You sweating with that 40 lot? Let's go. You still got that runners going? Bears eating honey tonight. Let's go. Mahmood. Thank you so much for hanging out. What's going on? The speech? Yeah. Took 10 points. Let's go, TJP. Oh, we are just dumping, guys. No FOMO. Try not to have any FOMO. Should have left a runner, I guess. Hindsight, though. Exclamation point pine in the chat. Guys want to join the giveaway. Giving away a 50K Lucid account tonight. As long as we get those likes up. There'll never be volatility again, Drock. Yeah. I love when the market's pushing down. I'm kind of not a perma bear, but I do like the volatility when the market's dumping. It's usually my best days. The New York VWAP, yeah, right at that 650 level. The magical 50s. Which is better, Lucid trading or my funded futures forex pips? Which is better? Well, right now, Lucid, I like the funded accounts. So those are the ones I like the best. If I was gonna do, personally, it's not financial advice, but like, if I wasn't buying a direct to funded account, I would buy my funded future core accounts. So. Franya at work. Oh, I'm sorry. Guys, this is going to be killer when my funded futures comes out with daily payouts. That's going to be killer, right? Yeah, I like the core accounts forex for my funded futures. Let's go, 956. Yeah, you don't need much with those micros when the market's moving. Lobber Dauber, we don't know yet. They've announced it on Twitter that they're working on it, so. But no one knows. What's caused the sell-off? I don't know. I don't think there was any news, Pawn. No red news. We actually have some Australian news coming out here in about 20 seconds. Australian imports, Australian exports, and Australian trade balance in 16 seconds. Don't know if it'll do anything, but all right, news is out. That will be awesome, Lobber. Tradeify is looking to do dailies as well. Yes, they are. Yep. Mahmood, they got to do something. They're falling behind, for sure. Yeah, I mean they're still good, but they are. I mean these other companies are. They're just better deals. It's just a better deal right now. Like the core accounts on my funded futures is with that free flex add-on is a better deal. So what about the S&Ps? JC, I do not look at ES very often. I know a lot of traders, they'll look at ES for the S&Ps, but honestly, I don't Look at him. I know a lot of traders will look at them while they're trading. But yeah. I've never been able to get a handle on trading ES. I've tried in the past. It just did not fit my style. But yeah. As ES pushing down currently. Pushed down and is bouncing right now off 68.10.50 up to 68.18. Nice movement in ES if you guys are trading ES. A lot of times ES just looks flat. It's like a flat line. Moving like New York, this is good. This is good price action for sure. ES pumping. Let's go. See, I'm gonna do something here. I think ever since the 24-hour trading on the most large caps, I have noticed overnight sessions move more. Yeah, that could be. Yeah, it's lately it's been moving. I mean, I'm not complaining. It is absolutely horrible when I'm streaming and the market's not moving. So we've gotten some nice trades tonight. Some bangers, actually. Kind of wish I was trading minis, right? But we've definitely taken some serious pointage. But yeah, just up 281 with the micros, long 10 micros. Let's go. 68.13. Let's go, JC. Type in what you trade the most. Do you trade ES, YM, or NQ, or GC? I'm just curious. If you guys want, just type GC, NQ, YM, ES, NQ. Probably a lot of NQ traders, right? We're getting an ES trader. Let's go. BBM. GCs. GC and NQ. Let's go. A lot of GCs. Let's go. XYZs, Frenya. Whatever. Yeah. Happy kids, you switch from ES to NQ. Let's go. Thank you, guys. Trade whatever. Pokemon cards, baseball cards from the 90s. Yeah, gold has the volatility has come down slightly, right? Yeah, it's kind of Nasdaq's taken back over, but the last 2-3 weeks, gold was where it's. I mean, that's where it was at. We trade pink slips. Live trading, we trade some pink slips. Golf guy Mike, I trade happiness for sadness. Let's go. Or vice versa, depending on the day. Yeah, I hear you there. What's the soundtrack? This is a playlist that I made on a website that I pay for to have music that's not copyrighted. Turg, what is up? What's going on? Let's go. One trade, 1 ounce gold. Let's go. Yeah, it's tricky for sure. What is gold up to now? Gold. So it broke this flag here. This little trend line pushed it down to the VWAP. That was a nice initial trade right there. But then it's been going sideways. Nasdaq's been moving pretty nice. Let's go, Tim. So it looked like a head and shoulders on 30 minute. I'm not a. I mean, kinda. I don't really study the heads and shoulders too often. Giant outside bar though. If we break the low again at 653, I think we keep going. I think we could keep going down to that 600 level pretty quickly. Something to watch for. If we break that new session low off that outside bar, these outside bars work really good on the 30-minute chart. They have been lately anyway. They work pretty good for entries. But yeah, we got a small gap down there on the 30. Some single prints possibly at that 600 level. Woof, getting a little bounce up here. So you got to pivot at 630 level. If you long from 637, let's go. Oh, you're gonna long from 637 if we get down there at the pivot. Let's go, Fred. A little gold scalp. $7.14 half gap. Yeah, right near that VWAP. Hearing something. Let's go, 7 cents. So what's your so what's that? You make your weekly profit and then you're done? You lock yourself out, or just curious? How do you get live data on gold? What are you on, My Funded Futures, O'Brien, or something? There's still that glitch going on. I wonder why that glitch is still going on. There's a, yeah, yeah, this is a weird gold glitch. So you gotta go to billing. I'll pull it up real quick. So yeah, you go to billing. Here it is right here. So yeah, My Funded Futures / billing. I'll put it right in the chat. So go to billing, click on view market data subscription, click upgrade. If you're trading gold, select COMEX. Choose your desired level 1 exchange for data access. Wait 4 to 5 minutes to sync. Log back out, log back in, and it should work. Wow, Nasdaq getting that pump off from 653 right back towards the VWAP. But yeah, there's been a glitch, O'Brien, for like ever. I don't know what's up with that. But yeah, still good deals going on right now. My Funded Futures, guys, $59 for the My Funded Futures. Use code PINE. Adele, thank you so much. Yeah, really good night so far we got going on. Yeah, guys, exclamation point pine. If you guys, let's see, we should start running the moose race here soon. I got so many tabs pulled up. I don't know how, like when I'm streaming, I could use 50 screens. Because like you guys will ask questions and then I'm pulling up things and I have like a million tabs open. It's insane. But yeah, this is exciting, guys. This is the second payout on this account, so just beautiful equity curve on this bad boy. So second payout on this one, locked in tonight. Very happy with this Lucid direct account. Got it under 20% consistency. Traded 8 days. Account balance at 162, 147. Pretty proud of that. Just took a $3,000 payout on it 8 days ago. Now I'm taking another $3,000 payout on it tonight or tomorrow after the market closes. The other one's not looking so bad either. I mean, I got it up to, let's see, 155. So yeah, it's up to, whoops. There we go. 155,000. I've traded it for, I don't know if you guys can see it, but 9 days. I have taken some daily loss limits on it. But yeah, up to 155,000. So I still got some work to do on it, but it's getting up there. I have 3 billion loss accounts and I consider this account my pay bill accounts. Made 900 this morning. I locked in this morning. Made 700 tonight. Let's go, 7 cents. I like it. I like how you're not over trading, you know. Thank you, Enviz. Appreciate you. Thank you, Trade the Momo. Yeah, just crushing it. You trade micros and minis on Lucid straight to funded. So minis, yeah, minis trade the Momo on Lucid, the 150K. Definitely minis, which is a little wild. You do get 6,000 in drawdown, but yeah, AV, Trade Sinker. Yeah, look into Trade Sinker. That's one. I've used them before. I'm not affiliated with them before. Matter of fact, I gotta cancel that. So yeah, it's called Trade Sinker. Super easy to use. I mean, I'm an idiot and I found them really easy. There's always risk, though, with those copy traders. Trade Sinker's an affiliate, too, with these companies. That's funny. Alright, I'm getting the moose race fired up here, I think. Let me check. How many likes do we got? Let's go. Let's see. So we're giving away a 50K Lucid account. I'll give you guys just a few minutes to get your exclamation point pine in. We'll give away that account. Crazy amount of entries last time. Joker Trades, what is up? Back to, let's go, Rashad. "15-minute inside bar." Let's go. Am I gonna buy or sell? I'm pretty much done right now. Yeah, I've taken 3 trades tonight. About 300 bucks. Well, 4 trades actually. Locked in a payout on that Lucid account, so. Hey Mary, don't call yourself an idiot. It's not true. Do I have a Discord? I do have a Discord. So 2 minutes, I'm shutting off the entries. There's a link to the Discord there. Right in the chat if you guys want to join the Discord. It's free. Is the purple candle an inside bar? Technically it's a harami, but it is because it swept the outside, so I don't consider them inside bars, but I mean technically it kind of is too. Inside bar is technically a harami, but for my channel and stuff like that, the body opens and closes within the body of the previous candle that puts in that inside bar, but the harami, I mean. The yellow candles are inside bars because the body and the wick is within the previous candle. So that's what I consider the inside bars. Alright, 30 seconds, guys. Get your entries in. Oh, thank you so much for the sub. I don't know who that was. Don Vic, I think that was his sub. Thank you so much. Harami means thief in Arabic. Yeah, so harami in Japanese means pregnant. So why do you think the market and gold are failing together? They should inverse. They haven't been, Caleb. Yeah, it's weird. All summer long, I mean, gold went all-time highs. NASDAQ went all-time highs. It's very strange. Can I explain the strat real quick? So basically what I do on outside bars, inside bars, and harami candles, I pretty much trade them all the same. Where, so like I take a short here, like I took this short here. So I look for the break. So basically, so as soon as it breaks, I enter in short or long, depending on which side it goes. The stop goes above. And then I generally look for 1-to-1. In this case, I look for the low of this wick here to get tested, right where we're at right now, actually. So yeah, I usually look for a 1-to-1, so like 100%. So if your stop is say $100 away, you'd look for $100 take profit. Or I'll just look for levels to the left, like. And haramis, I do the same thing, except I target the mother candle low. So like this is a short here trigger, and then you would target the low 673 basically if you were to enter this trade, and the stop would go here. So good R&R risk on that one. But yeah, I have some videos on it if you want to check them out, long form videos. On 5-minute, I actually traded on the 5-minute. Yeah, I only look at 5-minute charts, believe it or not. The only time I look at higher time frames is usually because you guys are asking. Yeah, I just look at the 5. All right, closing entries. All right, we're gonna do something different tonight for the giveaway. We're gonna do the moose race, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the top. We're gonna run the first race. We're gonna do the top 10. I'm getting botted. So I think that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do the top 10. You must be present. So we'll do the top 10 and then we'll run it again. Right? So I'll take the top 10 names. Or let me think. Let me try to think how to do this on the fly here. I wonder if I could pick multiple winners on... let me think about this, guy. Sorry. I had a feeling last night, too. We had 300 people. Tonight, we have 506 people that entered the giveaway. With 284 people watching. So let me see here. So if I wonder if I pick a... Alright, so hear me out, guys. If I pick a winner here... I wonder if I could pick multiple winners. And then we'll do the top 10 winners here. And let's see if they can... Pick 10 winners. All right, here we go. Is Trader Oz here? This is not the winner. This is for an entry into the moose race. So I think I have a lot of bots, so... Alright. Trader Oz is here. Okay. Trader Oz. Tracy Monta here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run these names for the moose race. Ten seconds. You think 506 people are real? Botted, yeah. Alright, this isn't working either. Fuck. Alright, so we're just gonna run the moose race. We're gonna run the moose race total. I was gonna do it with like pick names and like kind of how Nutty does it. We're gonna run it. If they're a bot, then they're not gonna be qualified anyway. So if you're not here in like, if you don't answer in like 30 seconds, then alright, here we go. We're running the moose race. This is crazy. Last night, one of our subscribers, that OG won, so I don't know, I'm gonna have to think about how to do this again, but here we go. Good luck, everyone. Oh, moose race hat. Let's go. No, winner takes all. Winners, it's a winner takes all. So, winner must be present to win. This is for a 50K Lucid account, test account. Good luck. Just one winner. Whoever wins, like always. I'm not gonna change it. Let's go, guys. Let's go. I don't think this is a bot. Gold Grinder Dave. I don't think that's a bot. Gold Grinder Dave, please be here. Gold Grinder Dave, let's go. I have a little bit of delay on my stream tonight, so. Gold Grinder Dave, are you here? I'll give you, 30 seconds. Saw logging his other accounts. Alright. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Good luck, everyone. Winner takes all. Must be present to win. Give it a second. Yeah. Spy over your second spy. Yeah, that's funny. Look. Hit the boost! The boost! Let's go! Carlos Melendez, are you here? 30 seconds. Let's go, Carlos Melendez in the house. Congratulations, Carlos. Let's see who finished last place. Sam Williams. Yeah, there's a little bit of a lag. Congratulations, Carlos. Let's go. It's a bot. Carlos, you in the Discord by chance? Where'd you? Sorry. I already exited out. I took it off already. Sorry. His royal. The bot, it looks like a bot the way he runs. That's funny. They whack trades. He's 300 plus accounts banned. Someone was busy, like, you know, if they are doing that, they were getting in and getting out, getting in, getting out. Oops. Carlos, just email me at pinetreetrader207@gmail.com. Take a pic of a screenshot of your YouTube account so I know it's you. Let's just do something like this. Just take a screenshot of that, send that to me. I appreciate it. And then once I get the email, I will take care of you. It's 110 cents bot. Yeah. Is this why it's rigged? It is. It's crazy, guys. I mean, I used to do moose races to 10 people. I mean, it's just nuts. Last night, one of our longtime subscribers won, so that was cool. Carlos, appreciate you too. Congratulations. If you guys haven't joined the Discord, go ahead and join the Discord. Let's go, Big Cat. Thank you, I appreciate it. 2 more core flexes. Just let's go. You have a win rate of 100% going on right now? That's awesome. How do people make bot accounts? I don't even know. I mean, it is. I mean, so we had at one point, looking at the analytics, we had 284 people watching, 506 users. If everyone used their alt account, I have 2 accounts. I have an alt account too that I troll chats with. You guys don't know it's me. I'm in there trolling for fun. He's farming giveaways. You only have 299, Carlos? Yeah, let's go. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look into. I'll look into it. How to prevent it or prevent stuff like that. I don't know. Yeah, for sure. That might be what I do in the future, Bruce Lee. I just wasn't prepared for it, and you know I gotta run. So sent the email. Let's go. Appreciate you. Thanks guys for being here. We'll do another giveaway tomorrow night. Be back here same time. A little recap tonight. 281 bucks trading the micros. Took some nice trades off the Harami here, off the Harami long. Took out the opening candle, the ORB candle. That was a nice trade. And then took a short off this inside bar here, and that was a nice trade. So good luck tonight, guys. Donos for giveaways. Yeah, I do. I do special moose races for the members sometimes. Let me just check, see if I get that email real quick. Let's go, Carlos. Appreciate you. I'll send you the coupon code and just as soon as I hop off. So anyways, guys, I appreciate you hanging in there. Thank you so much for the support. Use code PINE. My website is pinned to the top of the chat, so if you guys want to use my codes with My Funded Futures, Lucid, Take Profit Trader, PINE with all caps, Trade Days, PINE with a capital P, Apex, 70% off, $40 activation fees. That ends tonight, so I believe. And Buellanox and all that, but you can just find that on propcodeshub.com. It has all my links, and I appreciate you guys. And stay tuned for the outro. Peace.
I'm on a mission, the market's my canvas. Pine Tree Trader, that's the name, no need for
No
the
activation
got
fee,
my
Carlos,
screens
no
lit,
activation
watching the
fee.
price move, every tick, every chart, I'm in my groove. See an inside bar, that's a sign of a pause. The market's holding its breath, it's a break from the laws. Squeeze it up tight, coiling for a big move. I'm patient, I'm watching, got nothing to prove. Wait for the break, above or below. That's when I hit the gas, watch the profit grow. Apex funding on the line, my account's legit. Passing these challenges, ain't no time to quit. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From Pine Tree Trader to take profit, we're on a roll. Stratify's the platform, we're in full control. Now let's talk about the outside bar, it's a different scene. It's a power move, a sign of something keen. Engulfing the last one, showing dominance and might. The bears or the bulls, they're winning the fight. It's a reversal signal or a continuation of the trend. Gotta read the context all the way to the end. I'm with Take Profit Trader, they've got my back. Giving me the capital, keeping me on track. No more small accounts, no more holding back. I'm a funded trader, there's no turning back. My trades are clean, my risk is tight. I'm living this life, shining so bright. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From Pine Tree Trader to Take Profit, we're on a roll. Stratify's the platform, we're in full control. Stratify's the engine, the charts are crisp and clean. Executing orders, a trading machine. Got my stops in place, my target set high. Pine Tree Trader strategy, under the market sky. This ain't a gamble, it's a calculated art. Every setup I see, I'm playing my part. Yeah, Pine Tree Trader, Apex, Take Profit, Stratify, we're in the game, you can't deny. From inside to outside, we're ruling the charts, building our wealth, breaking hearts, peace out. Yeah, Pine Tree Trader, Apex, Take Profit, Stratify, we're in the game, you can't deny. From inside to outside, we're ruling the charts, building our wealth, breaking hearts, peace out.
Stratify's the engine, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. Yeah. From Pine Tree Trader to Take Profit, we're on a roll.
Stratify's the platform, we're in full control. Stratify's the engine, the charts are crisp and clean. Executing orders, a trading machine. Got my stops in place, my target set high.